Hi, I'm Simon from SafetyLink and welcome to 2025. We are kicking off our first video for the year on a new product that we've been working on probably for the past 12 months. So we're taking back feedback from our current HSurf abseil surface mounted, and one of the biggest things that everyone wanted was an anchor that's able to swivel. So what our guys have developed off the back of utilising our multi-plate is a connection point that swivels. So they've designed another serpentine design that's obviously come through from a lot of other products that we have, and incorporated it into our new abseil anchor for surface mount. So the idea is serpentine design that allows you to swivel on the connection point there. So you connect up here, across that way, and so. And providing basically 360 connection. The serpentine design, if matter of interest, it takes up to about 6 kilonewtons to start to actually deploy that. So that's when the 600 kilo mark. So there's no concerns around that. The anchor also comes with a couple of things. So we give you all the fixings and fittings. So that will be either 10 rivets for full arrest, or for abseil, you have the 8 rivets and 2 screws. We also provide it with stickers that allow you to, once installed, that you can stick on here, show up on screen here, but for full arrest or abseil. For those wondering about installation and different profiles, please refer to the manual or contact us on info@SafetyLink or contact us head office on the phone. Thanks very much.